Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here, author of Divine Soul Whispers, and this morning I'm hanging out at Sunshine Financial Services. Yes, we are in Chitinta, so feel free to pass by and check out all our services. And we actually have started doing mentorship. So if you need mentorship in mostly life related fields. Supposing you want to revise your resume and you need help. Supposing you want to brainstorm a business idea, feel free to reach out. I'll I'll have to put a link of our pricing structure. Yes, but all kinds of life circumstances, whether it's brainstorming, you want to someone to talk to. I call them talk to me sessions because sometimes we just need someone to talk to and air out our ideas or create something. Those of you who want to write books, yes, reach out to me, then I'll help you get started, help you create a structure, brainstorm your idea, put it together so that you can start on that process. So, yes, reach out to me on WhatsApp. We'll go from there. But today I wanted to read you something from Divine Soul Whispers, page 60, Whispers in the Wind. I can hear the whispers of your voice like a gentle wind on a spring morning. Come closer, my love, come closer. Even with thousands of miles apart, your essence feels close to a touch. Your lovely tone is a comfort to my soul, turning gloomy days to bliss. My heart is at peace, knowing we have made it this far. The highs so high that I can touch the sky, the lows so low like a valley of wells. In all moments, love has won, love has made herself known, love has spoken, and love has the final say. The sweetness of love often brings tears to my eyes, a lingering smile to my face, and a prayer in hand. May the joy of our love magnetize all that is true, good, and lovely. May the overflow from our bounty transform those we encounter on this journey through life. One heart, one soul, in one accord. I hope this poem blesses you. Whispers in the Wind from Divine Soul Whispers. Keroy King. Talk to you soon. Bye.